Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram stories and want to stop them from being automatically saved, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable the Story Archive feature on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want more privacy or just want to keep your archive clean, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the setting. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Give that a tap to open up more options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where you can manage what you do on Instagram, including your archived stories. Next, find and tap on Archived. This is where all your past stories are stored by default. In the top right corner of the archived page, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open up the settings menu. Here's the crucial step. Look for the option that says Settings and tap on it. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Save Story to Archive. This is the feature that automatically saves all your stories, even after they disappear from your profile. To disable this, simply toggle off the switch next to Save Story to Archive. Once it's off, your future stories will no longer be saved to your archive. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Story Archive feature. Remember, this won't delete any stories that are already in your archive, but it will stop new ones from being saved automatically. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and turn this feature back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.